Hello there, my name is Ian. Welcome to NomadCrib. Today we're going to see a very special apartment, a brand new apartment with a jacuzzi on the deck, beautiful views of the city. Let's go. All right, here we go. First of all, it's got a very nice modern kitchen with your hood range and gas stove. It also has the option of induction. Best of both worlds. Has a dishwasher, as you can see, and an amazing place to do dishes from, with incredible city views. Doing dishes by hand will never be the same. Okay. So, let's venture into the living room, which goes onto the deck. Let's wander out to the deck first. Today's a little rainy in Medellin, but that's good. Keeps everything green, as you can see. So we are up in the Tesoro district of Medellin. About 3 blocks from here is a beautiful mall, Tesoro Mall. And right down there is the pool deck. And right below us is the jacuzzi area. Speaking of jacuzzis, you even have a jacuzzi up here, your own private jacuzzi with killer views of Las Palmas. Again, a really nice sized deck with a jacuzzi for 4 people. All right, let's head into the master bedroom. Here we have the master bedroom. Again, really nice size with air conditioning. Is a must now in Medellin. And we have a beautiful master bathroom, complete with your rain shower room with dual rain showers. And then for people who have a lot of clothes, we have a really nice walk-in closet room. Again, with amazing views of Las Palmas. Again, if you're really into runners or shoes, you got a lot of space right there. Okay, on to the second bedroom. Which could also be an office if you like, if you so choose. And then we have here also another bathroom. And then this room here leads on to its own walk-in closet. All right. Now, back towards the living room. Here we have what could be a sitting room or an office that's totally open. Again, if we wander over here, just off in the distance there, about 3 blocks away, is Mall Tesoro, which has, I would say, hundreds of restaurants and stores in the mall. And then there's another mall beside it. And then just 3 blocks more is Amsterdam Plaza, which is a beautiful plaza with many amazing restaurants. Okay, so back to the main living room here. Okay, we have a really nice size living room. And then here we have the social bathroom. And we're not done. There's more. Okay, if we wander back to the kitchen here, we have this beautiful pull-out here. Okay, as you can see, so you can have your 3 or 4 chairs right here, and you can have your dinner here and still have counter space. So I really like this feature. It's a really nice feature. Okay, and there you have your stove and microwave. And then through this hidden compartment here, oh, there's the thunder in the background. You have your laundry room. Okay, another nice look at the kitchen. Really spacious living room. Again, there's a lot of storage space for the kitchen, as you can see. Okay, and then there's space up there also. And then here you have a ton more space all along this wall here. The whole kitchen is hidden, which I love. All right. So let's take a venture back out to the patio here. Again, to take in some of the city views on a rainy day in Medellin. And there we go. That's it. 2-bedroom apartment, 200 square meters. It's got concierge parking down below. It has a squash court. It has an infinity pool right down here. Okay, it actually goes about 30 meters that way. And then on this same deck down here, you've got a steam room, a jacuzzi, and a sauna. But best of all, you've got your own private jacuzzi right here off the master bedroom. This for me is the thing that really sets this building and apartment apart from many other places. It has a really long, I would say 30-meter pool. So you can actually do proper laps in this pool. Let's go take a look at the rest of this pool deck area. All right. So over here, we have the gym. It's a decent gym with great city views. It's got the universal gym over there. And changing rooms. Also, we have over here, shower and jacuzzi area. Let's see if we can get this here. There we go. That's some help there. Here we have the, I guess, the jacuzzi for everyone in the building. And here we have sauna and turco, or as it's known in other parts of the world, steam room. There we go. Again, not too bad.